Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back. Okay, for today's class, we'll be looking at the remaining two food service system, which is the ready prepared food service system as well as the cook chill system. All right, without further ado, let's continue the video where we left off.
Type of food service system, the ready prepared food service system. The ready prepared system, as you know, has been in use for many years. In ready prepared food service system, food is produced on site, held, chilled or frozen, preheated and served to customers on site. Food production can be scheduled at any time since it is prepared and stored frozen or chilled for later re-thermalization and service.
Okay, so the key word for ready prepared food is sama dengan conventional food is produced on site, tetapi unlike conventional food service, dia akan lalui proses held, chill or frozen, kemudian reheat dan serve to customer on site. Okay. Dia ada proses penyimpanan dekat sana.
System also allows multiple day productions which can be done at one.
Okay, di atas ni, the system also allows multiple day production to be done at once. So contoh di sini apa ya? Okay, satu food service operation A, dia fikir dia nak cuma masak hari Isnin saja. So dia masak siap-siap untuk Selasa, Rabu dan Khamis. So dia masak 3 hari tu siap-siap. Kemudian dia dia keep chill or frozen. So menu hari Selasa, dia keluar set menu hari Selasa. Rabu dia perangat dan dia serve hari Rabu. Apabila sampai hari Khamis, lepas dia perangat dan serve menu hari Khamis, dia kena masak another batch to cover katakan Jumaat, Sabtu, Ahad. Okay.
Time. For example, for a menu 2 times in the next 30 days, the total amount of a particular ingredient can be made at one time, which can reduce labor cost. For this food service system, food is purchased all along the food processing continuum.
Okay, purchase along. Maksudnya sama juga, food purchase all along the food process continuum. Dia boleh purchase food yang in very raw form or prepare food in its almost in its process form lah. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the video.
For example, some items may be purchased from the none end and require full preparation. Soups, entrees, casseroles and sauces would likely be fully prepared on site from ingredients purchased at the none end of the food processing continuum. Other items may be purchased with some processing, while others may be purchased fully prepared, which require only portioning and service. Moving on to the advantages of ready prepared food service system. There are several advantages of ready prepared food service system, and the main ones are flexibility in scheduling food preparation. If food is prepared and stored frozen or chilled for later use, there is greater deal of flexibility in the scheduling of food production. This eliminates the peaks and valleys of demand for food and allows labor costs to be controlled. Production can be scheduled at any time during the day since it is separated from the service.
Okay, since dia tak ada shared slides, so ini antara advantages of ready prepared food system lah. Tadi dia sebut it reduce the peaks and valleys of workload contrary to the conventional system, meaning tak semestinya kena kerja kalau peak hours conventional pukul apa? Pukul 12 and kalau malam maybe pukul 8, meaning closer to the production time. Conventional food service akan banyak di situ, tapi kalau restoran tu buat ready prepared system, dia fleksibel jugalah dari segi waktu bila dia nak sedia makanan tu. Okay. Nombor 2 dia kata apa? Allow for production scheduling which builds up the menu inventory. Okay. Sebab dalam satu minggu mungkin production hanya buat dua hari saja. Pada hari pertama dan hari ketiga, macam contoh saya bagi tadi, production hari Isnin reserve untuk dia buat production lain, cover untuk Khamis, Jumaat, Sabtu and maybe Ahad. Okay. It decreases employee turnover and attract new recruits of employee due to normal hours. Okay. It's also reduced in terms of production of labor costs, better quality and quantity control due to decreasing job stress relating to production deadlines, improve nutrient contrast by decreasing time in food. Okay, ma'am. Kita dengar penjelasan ma'am sajalah. Okay, kalau you all tak dapat apa dia cakap, boleh refer pada nota yang saya attach tadi. Untuk makluman, slide tu dah ada dalam e-learn ya, of all the 4 food service daripada conventional, centralized dan juga 2 sistem ni kita cover hari ni. Okay. Kita dengar apa dia cakap.
Lower labor costs. This is another advantage because large quantities of food can be prepared at one time and stored for later heating and service. Thus, food can be prepared for several meals in one particular time. For example, spaghetti sauce could be prepared in large quantities to last even a month rather than preparing it every day or more than 3 times during the same time period. The disadvantages of ready prepared food service system. There are also several disadvantages of this ready prepared food service systems. The menu variety may be limited because some food items will not be suitable for the chilling or freezing process. There can be high initial capital investment for an equipment. The initial cost of an equipment for a ready prepared system may be very high, but considering issues such as payback period, lower food cost and lower labor cost usually will offset the initial cost in a short period of time. The next is perceived loss of quality. Mass production often makes it difficult to think of quality because it is perceived.
Sama jugalah dengan kes apa commissary food service yang kita dekat hari Senin yang lepas tu. Lagi banyak kita masak, lagi orang perceive apa, oh kita masak ni tak sedap ataupun kualiti dia kurang. Yeah.
Desirable than traditional food preparation. Recipe modifications may be required constantly due to the large quantities produced. Also, if products are chilled or frozen, recipe modifications may be needed to maintain product quality. Some standardized recipe will need to be re-standardized when converting to a ready prepared food service system. This may require purchasing different products and ingredients at a single time. There can be a disadvantage of food safety problems. If there were to be a foodborne illness outbreak, many customers would be affected. There will be need to be very tight controls in place via a well-planned and implemented hazard program to minimize the risks related to food safety. Now, we are going to see the last type of food service system, namely the assembly serve food service system. The assembly serve food service system traditionally has been the least common. Although that is changing due to the current operating environment, in today's environment where labor is scarce and expensive, there are many choices in foods that can be purchased that only require heating and serving. In this figure, food is purchased at the middle to complete end of the food processing continuum.
Kita tengok spektrum dia macam mana. So dia kata middle of the spectrum ya. That's the keyword dia cakap tadi. From the middle to the complete. Sebab kita nak masak dan kita nak store dia, freeze dia cepat-cepat. Apabila nak serve tu, kita akan portion dan reheat balik. So lazimnya makanan ataupun materials makanan tu dibeli pada di tengah-tengah ataupun on the complete end of the food process spectrum. Okay. Sambung balik. Mana dia?
The purchased food needs to be stored either frozen or chilled for later use. It is then portioned, reheated and served to customers. The advantages of assembly served food service systems. The main advantages are lower labor costs. Labor costs are very less with assembly.
Sebab low labor cost sebab kita dah beli makanan yang dah hampir-hampir masak. All we need to do is guna mesin untuk seal dia, sejukkan dia. Dan apabila kita nak serve, sama ada lewat malam, katakan kita seal dia pagi ni, kita nak masak, kita nak reheat malam ni ataupun esok pagi, kita reheat saja. Tak payah guna banyak orang pun untuk reheat ni.
As you can guess, because food is purchased in a ready-made form, which is fully prepared, requiring little labor for production. There is again need for limited equipment needs because food is almost fully prepared for
limited equipment, but all you need equipment is mainly rethermalization and of course to keep it chill lah. You tak perlu ada kombi oven untuk kukus, grill, panggang macam conventional ataupun commercial food service.
All that is needed is only reheating or rethermalization. Little equipment will be needed to rethermalize the food, portion and serve it to the customers. This results in lower initial capital expenses when building a new facility. More to the advantages, the assembly served food service also has its disadvantages. The disadvantages include high food cost. High food cost is there because foods are purchased at the complete or nearly complete end of the food process.
Mahal sikit lah sebab kita kena beli makanan yang hampir masak ataupun sudah pun dimasak.
Processing continuum, and most of the labor in preparing the product is already done. This increases the food cost of the product compared to preparing the menu item from scratch. Next is menu variety might be limited. While the variety of prepared menu items has increased in recent years, there is still not all the variety of items that can be prepared in a conventional or commissary or ready prepared food service system. Availability of menu
tak semua sesuai lah untuk dimasak dan disejuk cepat-cepat ni. Ya. Hanya makanan-makanan tertentu saja yang boleh.
Availability of menu items may be a problem for cycle menus. Some food service directors have included items on their menus only to find that the product has been discontinued, reformulated, or no longer carried by the distributor from whom they purchase. Next is the perceived loss of quality. The customers always feel homemade.
Okay, sama juga. So, kalau you ingat lesson hari Ahad tu, cuma conventional saja yang perceive quality tu, customer perceive quality tu high. Kalau kita tengok ready prepared, cook chill, assembly serve, ataupun convention ataupun central kitchen semua akan perceive dia kurang berkualiti sebab kita masak banyak-banyak.
Better than having a higher quality than in the assembled prepared items. Let us now move on to the combination.
Okay. Sebelum kita summarize, saya nak tunjuk sikitlah video macam mana cook chill ataupun assembly serve ni looks like lah. Okay guys, cuba tengok video ni. The cook chill process ni.
First opens its doors, the food service industry stands face to face with its greatest challenge, satisfying a generation of consumers who've grown accustomed to having it all. It isn't easy, because today's customers aren't just demanding variety and value, they want quality too. And if that's not challenge enough, you can add a shortage of skilled labor, no shortage of competition, and a profit margin that's harder than ever to find. It's no wonder the industry is searching for real solutions. It's also no real wonder that high-quality central preparation systems are now providing competitive solutions for everyone, from four-star hotels and major national restaurant chains to leading institutional suppliers. With obvious benefits like reduced skilled labor costs and greater consistency.
Tengok segala daripada sauce gravy ialah daripada bekas plastik. Maknanya sebelum dia nak serve ni, mungkin sehari dua sebelum tu dia masak, dia seal dalam bag dan sejukkan dia cepat-cepat. Apabila dia nak serve, dipanaskan saja, koyakkan plastik dan tuang.
The concept of central preparation has always seemed promising. All the industry needed was a technology capable of capturing fresh cooked quality and preserving it during shipping and storage. Today, in some of the nation's finest kitchens, the solution is being provided by a number of high-quality central preparation systems made possible by cryovac packaging technology. One of these is
CryoGuide.
Chill, a remarkably versatile system, specially designed by cryovac engineers for the central preparation of pumpable foods. Combined with cryovac's innovative flexible packaging systems,
tadi tu tengok ni adalah contoh sos yang dia pack dalam ni.
Combined with cryovac's innovative flexible packaging systems, Cook Chill can be used to handle a wide variety of products and volume requirements. Cook Chill's real secret lies in what happens after cooking. At the very moment they're perfectly and precisely cooked in volume, foods are immediately quick chilled in specially designed cryovac pouches or casings. This halts the cooking process and actually locks in natural juices, subtle textures, distinct flavors.
Masak makanan tu panas-panas dan cepat-cepat dia seal dan disejukkan untuk maintain dia punya nutrients.
And nutritional values. When reheated in a satellite kitchen, even after weeks of refrigeration, foods are virtually indistinguishable from the
Tengok dia kata apa? Dia boleh simpan berminggu-minggu.
Finest fresh cooked. Cook Chill is ideal for handling everything from soups, stews, and sauces to condiments, salad dressings, and pie fillings. Whether you implement your own system or use an outside supplier, Cook Chill can have an immediate and powerful impact on both your menu and your back-of-the-house operations. You may want to use it as a cost-effective way to add new soups or chowders to your menu. Cook Chill is also a great way to distribute perfectly prepared marinaras and other pasta sauces.
So ideally kalau you tengok packaging dalam plastik tu kebanyakannya ialah liquid kan. So macam dia cakap, so dia hint tadi, Cook Chill ni makanan yang paling sesuai adalah makanan yang berkuah, misalnya sup, sos, atau misalnya sup atau sos lah, okay? Atau gravies.
Meats and pizza sauces. In fact, food service operations all over are finding that Cook Chill is a perfect way to prepare and distribute anything that can be pump-filled. And that means more than just soups and sauces. It means salad dressings and coleslaws, even dessert toppings. All kinds of applications, all across the menu. Cook Chill is so versatile that it can be used for everything from adding menu variety to a restaurant with 6 locations to streamlining a national operation with 6,000. All it takes is matching the right system to the needs of your operation. Cryovac flexible packaging is the foundation of the Cook Chill system. Since they come in a range of sizes that hold anywhere from 6 ounces to more than 2 gallons, these materials offer many options for packaging fluid products. That means you can custom size for a range of products, from single servings of sauce or gravy to half gallons of salad dressings to 2-gallon pouches of pie fillings or pizza sauces. These flexible materials utilize Cryovac's advanced co-extrusion technology, which offers exceptionally high oxygen barrier properties and superior strength. The result is an extremely durable, abuse-resistant package that promises long shelf life. So products can often be stored for up to weeks at a time, then reheated with the highest levels of consistency and fresh-made quality. Another great reason to use flexible packaging is ease of handling. Cryovac pouches or casings are easily opened and provide nearly 100% yield. There are no dangerous jagged edges to deal with, or bits of metal or glass to contaminate the food. Cryovac's compact, flat pouches are also much easier to ship and store. Since they free up significant shelf space in the holding area, storage costs can often be reduced by as much as 40%. Whether you want fully automated pump-fill systems capable of high-volume, around-the-clock production, semi-automatic systems for mid-range volume requirements, or to simply test the waters with a single manual fill system, Cryovac can help. The best way to handle higher volume requirements is with a Cryovac automated filling machine. They allow you to pump a high volume of product at a wide range of temperatures directly into Cryovac pouches. They're designed to handle the full range of product, high and low acid, hot and cold fill, and those with particulates. These fully automated form, fill, seal machines produce flexible pouches with no headspace. When used with one of Cryovac's high-performance multi-layer films, these machines automatically form, fill, heat seal, and cut up to 46 packages a minute to the desired size. Packages are then ready for chilling, storage, distribution, and use at the unit level. For those who don't require high-speed production, there are several pump fill stations available that offer a semi-automated approach to Cook Chill. For these systems, Cryovac makes a full line of specially designed high-performance multi-layer casings. These pump fill stations can be connected to the volume cooking kettles. Foods are pumped directly into the casings, which are then clipped to seal the open end. The product is then quick chilled and stored for distribution. As with our flexible pouches, most products can be reheated in the original casings at the serving location. And for those with very low volume needs or those who simply want to test the Cook Chill system, a manual ring stand system is available. This system also uses Cryovac casings, which are filled by hand from a dipper.
Dia juga offer option untuk fill by hand. Tapi untuk guna dia punya cryovac tu saja lah.
Flipped or tied. Then the casings are placed in a tub of icy water, where they're chilled before storage and distribution. So whatever ways you're able to take advantage of Cryovac's Cook Chill technology, there are systems available to get you started and to let you go wherever you want as your needs expand. That's because we take a total systems approach to everything we do. We offer a capability unparalleled in this industry that ranges from the finest details of food science, to innovative packaging technologies, to automated equipment systems, and everything in between. So whether you're looking for an off-the-shelf system that helps you start reaping the benefits of Cook Chill today, or hoping to build the ultimate central preparation system for the future, we look forward to working with you. Because at Cryovac, we know that the best way to meet the challenges of tomorrow is to make tomorrow's technology available today.
Okay, so that is example of how cook chill operation works, yeah. All right, so before we end the class, let's summarize how ready, prepared, and cook chill looks like. Okay. Alright, kita tengok kat sini. Cook chill dulu. Alright, kita sama boleh summarizekan. Cook chill ni, makanan di prepared when the food is served. Meaning sama macam conventional. Food is prepared on site. In terms of what food is purchased, some food are raw. Salah ni, sepatutnya some are convenience and some are convenience and a small numbers are raw, okay? Ataupun some are semi-cooked and some are fully cooked, okay? Food procurement, purchase for its own unit, okay? The time spent between preparation, service, dia kata apa? Food prepared and cooked, then chilled and held for 1 to 3 days, or maybe up to 60 days depending on the system. Hebat teknologi ni. Key point dia lah, makanan dimasak panas-panas, dipack cepat-cepat dan disejukkan cepat-cepat. Okay? Cook chill. Okay, apabila kita tengok kat sini assembly service, apa dia kata? Makanan dimasak biasanya off premise. Commercial prepared food are purchased. Sebab kalau nak bagi contoh dekat apa, selalunya kat sini secret recipe lah yang saya bagi contoh. Sebab secret recipe, dia punya secretnya ialah segala barangan yang panas macam lasagna, mi goreng tu semua tu, dia dah prepare siap-siap dekat site yang lain. Dia cuma hantar makanan misalnya mi goreng ke atau spaghetti yang dah dibekukan tu ke premis. Let's say dia punya pusat dekat Kuala Terengganu, dia hantarlah dekat Gong Badak, dia hantarlah dekat mana lagi, Mesra Mall Bungun ataupun KTCC, tapi dia dah prepare maybe well in advance, okay? Form of food purchase, all convenience and prepared food are frozen, canned, dehydrated or pre-peeled fresh. Food are purchased for own use juga. The time spent between ni, dia kata apa? No on-premise preparation, food purchased prepared are stored and ready for eating and service at any time needed. Okay. Dekat secret recipe, dia just simpan banyak-banyak lah apa. Dia simpanlah stok pasta dia punya chicken cordon bleu semua. Apabila guest order, dia just perangat dalam oven dan serve sajalah apabila customer datang makan tu. What else? Amount of equipment required for cook chill, all pre-preparation and cooking service equipment. Paling penting untuk cook chill adalah one or more blast chiller, sebab kita perlu sejukkan makanan tu dan untuk simpan makanan tu, okay? Kena ada apa? Refrigerated storage or cook tank, water bath and pumping equipment. Labor skill sangat kurang sebab basically kita cuma perlu labor untuk operate mesin apa, sealer dan juga nak simpan dalam peti ais tu sajalah. Okay. What are typical food service yang guna cold chill today? Biasanya large hospital and to some extent large colleges and university pakai cold chill ni. Okay. As for assemble serve pula, equipment apa dia pakai? Dia guna equipment untuk heating, misalnya steamer, steam jack, convection or microwave oven. Okay. Equipment for setting up and serving, reheat equipment or convection, microwave. Okay, sama je. Labor needed. Sebab makanan dah dimasak, dia tak perlulah skill cook. They don't need skill cook or other pre-preparation employees needed. Workers for assembly, salad and desserts, etc. Workers for reheating and serving must be able to operate the equipment. Meaning skill yang perlu ada pada staff dalam assembly serve ni ialah cara nak operate microwave oven je. Right. And typically dekat mana ada, dia bagi contoh sini apa, hospital and nursing home and some commercial food service. So some commercial food service ni yang boleh saya bagi contoh secret recipe lah. And apa lagi? Coffee Bean dan Starbucks pun guna juga, meaning dia orang punya centralized lagi tempat tu dah prepare in advance, not the coffee but benda-benda macam cake, benda-benda macam dia punya baguette, apa dia punya apa tu, roti bagel, ataupun dia punya macaroni dan juga lasagna dia lah. Dia masak up to 1 week in advance. Dia supply dia punya branch tu 1 minggu punya stok, dan branch yang dapat stok tu akan jual pada customer lah. Apabila customer order, dia akan reheat sajalah. Dia tak prepare from scratch pun. Dia tak panaskan, dia tak masak sauce from scratch dan letak layer of lasagna itu. Tak, they just take out the frozen lasagna into the oven, 5 to 10 minutes on the plate and serve to the customer. Okay. Alright, let's see. This is how the production flow looks like. Okay, let's look at ready prepared first. Okay, purchase of raw ingredients, basics and limited convenient ingredients. Receive, process, storage. Okay, dia ada. Itu apa dia kata? Dia ada pre-preparation washing and sama juga macam commissary, dia cook in large batch. Cuma bezanya the portion yang cook in large batch tu di chill cepat-cepat dan di seal cepat-cepat. Okay, transport in appropriate temperature control equipment to sterilize units. Store in freezer as appropriate for later use. Hold as long as needed. Temper thaw frozen food in refrigerator. And lastly, when the time comes to serve the food, they will reheat it. Okay. Lastly, kita tengok apa? Assembly serve. Kata apa? Food are purchased purchase fully prepared food in frozen, canned, dehydrated form. You receive the food, the goods, store it either in cold or room temperature. There is no need for preparation. There is no need for cooking in large or small batches. Lepas dia store sama ada freeze ataupun room temperature, they hold as appropriate. Hold the food as long as is appropriate until serving time. It will temper or thaw frozen food in the refrigerator. Bila nak serve, just reheat as necessary and distribute or distribute and reheat. Okay, so that's how assembly serve and ready prepared food service punya production flow looks like. Okay, just to recap apa daripada lesson hari Isnin, there are 10 processes from the moment they purchase the ingredients to the point they distribute service, but not necessarily all 4 systems will go through to the 10 production process too. Yeah. Okay. All right. So with that, come to the end of the class. If there any questions or inquiry, feel free to ask me, and I will try my best to answer them. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi, and have a good day, everyone.